my channel. Coming from the streets of Mumbai to your plate today, here is the fusion fried rice, my style. So let's start cooking.
To make fried rice, you need 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken, 3 cups of parboiled rice, 7 to 8 pods of chopped garlic, 1 cup of French beans, 2 diced onions, 1 cup of cubed carrots, 1 cup of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder, 2 eggs, salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. In a wok, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the garlic and saute it for a minute. Add onions and saute it for 2 minutes. Then start adding the vegetables one by one: French beans, carrots, spring onions. I have also used capsicum here. You can use that if you wish to. I like the taste, so I've used it here. Add the soya sauce. Mix well. Add the oyster sauce. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add the chicken stock powder. This is optional. You can also use white pepper powder, around 1 teaspoon. Let the vegetables cook in the sauce for around 3 to 5 minutes more before you add the parboiled rice. Do remember, when you mix the rice, you need to cook it on high flame. Adjust salt as per your taste. Mix well and keep it aside. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the shredded chicken. Adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and a pinch of salt. Keep aside this mixture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Break 2 eggs. And fry the eggs with some salt to a scramble. Keep aside the scramble. For vegetarians, you can simply serve this rice as is. Toss the rice with chicken and egg for non-vegetarians. You can see how the rice has turned out to be. Looks yummy, isn't it? Serve this rice with some Szechuan sauce or the sauce of your liking. Enjoy cooking and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!